In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GatesFX to TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your GatesFX portal, your platform, the dashboard, you want to click on the Accounts tab, top left, and click on Open Demo Account. Whenever you do this, as the account category, you want to select TradeLocker Demo, click on that, press Continue, then you'll have to select your account type, and just go ahead and keep pressing Continue until you see your confirmation, where essentially you'll be able to get your account number, your email, your password, and then your login server. Whenever you've done that, you'll basically have your account. So if I go to my accounts overview, as you can see here, I have a demo account for TradeLocker. And what you have to do after this, you just have to go to demo.tradelocker.com. You want to type in the email that's, of course, you use to sign into GatesFX, and then the server, which is going to be given to you upon the creation of your account. So if I click on the view over here, you'll be able to see the server over here. And then you also have the password. So the password, you'll be able to see it for the first time you create your account, but you will also receive it onto your email. So just copy your password, paste it in here, paste the server and the email, click on the login button, and it's going to log you inside TradeLocker platform over here, and you can then go ahead and start trading. So that's how you connect it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.